Alright, so today we're going to be looking at how much Elisa McKay makes on TikTok, and we're going to take the first 5 videos right here because I can't find the social blade on Elisa McKay. So what we need to do is we need to find out how much you make on 10,000 views or 100,000 views. So for 1,000 views you make 2 to 4 cents. We're just going to say 2 cents because then we're really sure. 10,000, 20 cents, 100,000, $2. So $2, and let's see how many with 100,000. This in total is around 500,000. Oh, wait a second. 500,000. This like 200,000. So 700,000. And that's like 300,000. So 800,000. So you make $2 per 100,000. And there was 8, 2 times 8. So around $16 on this TikTok with the 5 videos right here. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you all enjoyed.